In this video, we'll learn how to classify websites as productive, non-productive, or neutral for the various departments registered in your TeamTrace account. To get started, navigate to Settings. Under TeamTrace Setup, select Productivity. Then, click on Productivity Websites. You'll be presented with a list of websites that can be assigned a productivity status per department. From here, you can select individual websites and mark them as productive, non-productive, or neutral for whichever departments are applicable. You also have the option to select all websites at once. In the top row, clicking on the first drop-down reveals websites organized by group, allowing you to apply a productivity status to an entire group for individual departments as needed. You also have the option to add your own websites to any predefined category within the platform. Once added, you can also edit or delete them from the list. Finally, you can use the search bar in the top right corner to locate any specific website quickly. You can also apply a department filter to narrow down the view as needed. Once this is configured, you can view the productive versus non-productive report in the Analytics section of your TeamTrace account.